Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Stryker has put a powerful little package together in a chassis pretty much identical to the size of a Cobra 25. It has a real nice heatsink right here on the back. Stryker's famous talkback circuit, and definitely a very potent radio. Let's start with the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. We got it set up right about 2 watts. Go with a 100-watt slug. I'm going to roll the RF power all the way up. 16 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low. 46 bird average. Peak power. Low, about 86 peak. If this is something that you're looking for, maybe you got a tight space and not a lot of room, or maybe you just want a real powerful radio, just give me a shout at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.